Hello people, welcome to our channel Shreshta Kitchen. Today's recipe is tasty egg omelette in 3 minutes. Let's start. Required ingredients: eggs 2, milk 1 spoon, salt 1 spoon, chili powder 1 spoon, ginger garlic paste 1 spoon, turmeric powder 1 spoon, dhania powder 1 spoon. Now, take one bowl, add 1 spoon of milk. In that, add 1 spoon of chili powder. Add 1 spoon of salt. Add 1 spoon of dhania powder. Add 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste. Add half spoon of turmeric powder. Mix the bowl for 1 minute. Now, break the 2 eggs and pour in a bowl. Mix the bowl for 3 to 4 minutes. Take a pan and place it on the low flame stove. Add 1 spoon of oil and spread it. Now, add the mixed ingredients bowl in a pan and spread it. If required, slightly adjust it to the shape. After 2 to 3 minutes on low flame, flip the omelette. Again, rest for 3 to 4 minutes. Our yummy egg omelette is ready. Let's feel the taste. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. We are ready with more recipes. You will not miss the videos if you subscribe now.